this all happened with something which when actually my son was born and घर पे मम्मी आई हुई थी, गोंद के लड्डू अपूर्वा को बना के खिला रही थी. One fine day we were just strolling around and that's when one statement from Apurva, ये गोंद के लड्डू हम लोग जो खा रहे हैं ना, ये हमारे बस का नहीं है. So as a generation there was a feeling we will not be able to carry what we have inherited to the future. And I think at that moment I felt this is a problem worth solving. We as a generation, we must be responsible enough that a timeless wisdom which has reached us should go on to the future.
There is this gap where the recipes that our mothers and grandmothers used to make are no longer going to exist as we move on. And I asked this question to my wife Kamya, and she said, no, I think Yash is telling the truth. I will not be able to make it. I will not be able to teach Neva how to make it. And that was the sudden realization that, this is our last generation to have these delicacies which were prepared by our mothers and grandmothers. And when Yash approached me with the name of the product, I think that was it. I fell in love with the concept. I thought that this is something that you can actually leave an impact and a legacy for not your child, but for many other children in the coming generation.
इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज़ होते हैं लाइक पिस्ता, आलमंड, कैश्यू, वॉलनट एंड हम पूरे हाई क्वालिटी के इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज़ करते हैं. RM रिसीव होने के बाद पहले क्वालिटी चेक होता है, तब रोस्टिंग, देन वेइंग, देन बैच मिक्सिंग होता है, पूरा मीन्स शीटिंग, कटिंग एंड देन पैकिंग होता है. देन हम मेटल डिटेक्टर में से बार्स निकालते हैं एंड देन पैकिंग होने के बाद हम वो मोनो कार्टन में फिल करने के बाद वो कोरुगेटेड बॉक्सेस में जाता है एंड देन वो शिपिंग के लिए जाता है. हम ये घर का ही लड्डू बनाते हैं. इसमें सारे लाइक होममेड प्रोडक्ट्स है लाइक व्हीट फ्लावर एंड घी एंड गोंद भी है इसमें. तो ये मतलब खाने के बाद एकदम घर जैसा फील होता है.
And healthy snacking, especially with new food entrepreneurs. We are seeing a new wave of new products coming in, and things have become a lot more relevant now post-COVID, especially where people are more aware of what's behind, what's going into your product. They read the label, back of pack. And people are consumers are choosing clean label products. Dry fruits and nuts are a powerhouse of energy, clean energy rather. So easily absorbed by the human body, and Candor Foods has always been supporting young food entrepreneurs. Willing to establish products and brands and their brands in the health food space, and we're very happy to be associated with Mama Nourish.
So we have seen many brands having alternatives and going with the current trends, what Gen Zs and have been liking, though have been seen in the market. But still, Mama Nourish particularly, when we saw this brand, when we saw what the ingredients are, it's a clean label product, and what the actual Gen Zs and millennials like us we're missing out in the current market, in the current brands. Clean label product, Mama's product that we have been eating with for so many ages, but was lacking in the current market. So yes, that completely makes it a different product, a unique product, and very demanding product in the coming years for sure.
I feel Mama Nourish Laddu Bar is unique and different in the way that it has all natural ingredients, no artificial coloring, flavoring agent, not even preservative. So that makes unique. Mama Nourish Bar has all the ingredients that are available in home kitchen. So all the spices and herbs that were traditionally used by Indian kitchens incorporated in Laddu Bar.